know what are the variables and all in detail to solve the puzzles over here. So let's go with the level 2 basic 3. I'm going for basic 3 as of now. So I'll suggest you all to open level 2 basic 3-1. Okay. So we'll start with the first level over here, the very first level. So this is where we have our first level. So this level is very simple, but it might be challenging for you because we have to make a small logic over here with the formula and all. Okay. So let's try it out the same thing. You all can follow the same instructions, whatever I'm doing on the screen, and you will end up with getting all the 3 stars successfully over here. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen. Let me know if my screen is visible for you all. Sorry. Yeah, let's start. Okay. So first of all, let us try to understand the pattern over here. So what is going on here? My Dave is moving for 1 step here. After turn, it's 2 steps. After turn, it's 4 steps here. And then finally, it's 8 steps. It's not in the sequence at all. It's 1, 2, 4, 8. How we solve this problem? Anyone tried this level? Anyone got the answer for this? Let me know yes or no in the chat box. Yep. Nobody likes to use the chat box. Come on. Yes, turn on your cameras. Quick, quick, quick. Everyone, turn on your camera. Show me your beautiful faces. Come on. Okay, so only 2 of you would like to turn it on. Not an issue. Okay, so first of all, show me thumbs up if you had done the thing. My question is, have you tried this basic level 3 question, the first question, which I was showing on the screen? Yes, no. You had tried it? No? Okay, fine. Yes, tried it. Okay, you got the 3 stars, all the 3 stars over there? You got the project with 3 stars? Yes, no. Yes, oh, good. Okay. Couple of you got the 3 stars. Okay, so it would be a quick revision for you. Even you can let me know in the chat box which block should we use here, right? So it would be interactive. So here the first is 1 step only, then 2 steps, then 4 steps here, and then finally we'll go to 8 steps. So the logic is very simple. First from 1 to 2, like 1 ones are 1. 2 ones are 2. And then like every time you're going forward, you're multiplying with the number. Like 1 is a 1, 2 is a 2. So it's like multiplication of yourself only. Then you will get 2 twos are. So we'll get 4 over here, right? Then here for this one, 4 twos are. So every time you're taking this answer and multiplying by 2. Correct? So initially you will start with 1. Then you will say 1 twos are 2. You will get 2. Then here you will come, you will say 2 twos are 4. You will get 4. Here you will come, you will get 4 fours are, like 4 twos are basically 8, right? So you will get 8. So it's a multiplication by 2, your current answer. So let's do the same thing. We know the formula, it's multiplied by 2 now. So we'll first create a variable. Variable is a placeholder, like a box that will hold the value for you. So initially we want 1. So we'll say set A to 1. And we got the first step. So you can repeat this thing 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times we are repeating. So we'll say here repeat for 4 times, right? Now move 1, turn right. Okay. Now we will say the Dave, like I want my Dave to move the steps, but not 1 step. We'll make it say move a step, because a is nothing but 1 only for us, right? We said a equals to 1. So rather than mentioning 1, you can say move Dave for a steps. So your Dave will go for how many steps? A steps. Clear? Now the next thing over here, after it moves to a steps, after this what it's supposed to do? It's supposed to take a right turn as suggested by you all. That's absolutely correct. So we'll be taking a right turn over here. So we'll say Dave turn to the right. But after turning to the right, if you remember, I told you the formula, the a is getting multiplied by 2 number, right? So we will say here, set a by, we have to set the a value to the multiplication factor, and that is nothing but a, I said multiply, so we'll be selecting multiply here, multiplied by 2. Okay, so this is how you will get all the 3 stars in this level. Okay, once I run the project, look, so it's covering all the lines exactly. Perfect. And here we go, we got the 3 stars with exact number of lines of code, that is 5 out of 5 line of code for us, right? And then how many steps were there? Only 19. Okay, let's go to the next level now. Yeah. Oh. So here is our second level. It is same almost, only the turn is different. The logic is same again. Like here we have 1 step, here we have 2 steps. Then you will get 4 steps, and then 8 would be there. So it's same thing. A is getting multiplied by 2 times. So we'll do the same thing here. We'll first set the initial a value to 1 because the first step is 1 step only. So we'll say a to 1. Now we have to repeat the things, correct? So how many times should I repeat? How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we'll be repeating it for 4 times here. We'll say repeat times 4. Now after repeating the things, what's the next thing over here? My Dave should move also. So we'll say Dave will step on a amount. So a is nothing but that 1 number, right? So I said a should move for 1 step. Dave will move for 1 step. Now after this, which turn it is? Tell me, it is right turn or left turn? I want your answers in the chat box. Come on. Is this right turn or left turn? Turn left. How many of you agree with turn left? Show me thumbs up like this. Come on. Is it turn left? Okay, thumbs up. I got a couple of. Okay, let's turn it. Dave, turn left as suggested by you all. Then we have to change the a value, or else my Dave will go for a number only, and a is 1. So is the second one is also 1? No, it's 2 now, right? So 1, 2s are 2, correct? So we'll be using the set block here, and we'll be using the multiplication block along with it. We'll say a times 2. That is nothing but 2 times of a. Clear? So now what will happen every time? Now after this, the a value will go to 2. 1, 2s are 2. It will be 2. My Dave will go for 2 steps. So 1, 2. It will take a left turn. Let's try to track the path of. First, I said Dave step a amount. A is my 1. So my Dave will go 1 step. Then I said turn. It will turn this side. Then I said A into 2. That means 1 into 2. What would be the answer? What is 1 into 2? Let me know your answer in the chat box or show me the fingers. 1 into 2. 2 times 1 is how much? 2. Very good. Okay. Nice. So the A value would be 2 now. Correct? So I said Dave step A again, right? It will go all the way up. It's a repeat loop. So we said Dave step A, that means it will go to 2 steps. And this is what we want. 1, 2 steps. Then we said Dave should turn the left side. So it will turn this side. Now the A into 2. So A was 2, right? So this will come here and into 2. So what is yes? 2 times 2. Very good. 2 times 2 is how much? Quick answer. 4, right? So they will go for 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then take a left turn. Okay, now tell me what would be the last time A value would be. After 4, what it would be? Tell me. And how it will come. Once my day will come here, how my A value will change? Correct, Fatul. It is 4 times 2. So now we will get 4 into 2. And what is the answer of 4 into 2? Quick responses. A. Good. So final step for Dave would be 8 step all the way to third object. Good. You all have helped me a lot in solving this puzzle. So let's run it out and test it. Are we getting all the 3 stars? It's look like yes, we are. So thank you all. Let's go to the next level. Okay, so here is the third level and it is quite interesting, I must say. It's simple also at the same time. Now let's begin this thing. Now you have to be sure where you should use a variable and where you should not use. Miss, for the next Asian competition, will the subject be from World 2 or World 3? World 2, the basic 2, the World 2. Okay? Okay, Noah? Okay, so now let's just understand how many steps my day was taking every time and all. So here it is 3 steps. The second also is 3 steps. The third one is again the 3 steps. The fourth one is again 3 steps. So this is remaining constant, right? So for this, there is no need to create a variable. Don't waste your variable over here. Variable means like the name itself suggests. What's the meaning of variable? Any idea? Let me know in the chat box if you know what is variable. We are learning programming and coding. You should know this term. What's the meaning of variable? Any guess? Put it in a chat. Come on. My World 3 is already open. What should I focus on? Yes. How it works. Okay. Yeah, let me explain. Right. So variable, the meaning of variable means, vary means what? Change, right? So variable is something that is changeable. You can change all the time, correct? But here the number 3 is constant, right? It is not changing at all. So we will not create set A or set B for it. This is the variable here, okay? So we'll be not using set A or set B for 3 because it is remaining same. So let's, the first thing would be they will step onto 3. We will not say they will step A. We will just say they step 3 because it is remaining constant. Once it reaches here, which turn should I take? Should I take left turn or right turn? Tell me. Come on, quick responses in the chat. Once I'll come to this item, is it a left turn or right turn? Left turn. Okay, how many turn right, left? Okay, it's a battle between left and right, it's look like. Okay, check it one more time. Think about it. Is it left or right? Left. Okay, so majority are with left, so I'm selecting left turn. Maybe, okay, left. Okay, so we'll see Dave will be taking a left turn over here. We'll go with majority. Now after this, tell me how many steps are there. Should I say Dave step 1, 2, 3, 4? Should I say Dave should step for 4? Is this correct? Or do I have to do something else? Tell me. Is this correct? I can use the number over there like Dave step 4. Yes, no. No idea? Okay. Let me show you. We can't use a direct number over here. The reason is that here you have 4 steps, correct? But here you have only 3 steps. Here you have only 2 steps. And then here you have only 1 step. So it is not remaining constant over here. It's changing, it's varying. So we have to use a variable here. So for this, first we will make a variable. We will set A to 4. Initially, because the first one is 4 steps over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the main reason. We are setting the A value to 4 here. Okay. Now, after this, I will not say Dave step 4. I will just say Dave step for A amount. Okay. Dave step for A. So A is 4, right? As of now. So it will go for 4 inside. Now, if it is going for 4 inside, it should come back for 4 only. Isn't it? The minus should be also the same amount or come back for 5. Tell me. It would be -4 to come back to the same position here again, or it would be -5. Come on, quick answers. I'm here right now. My Dave is here. Okay. My Dave is standing here. And I want to come back to this position. So should I do -4 or -5? -4, Noha said -4. Okay, Noha. Okay, the correct -1. -1 will make only 1 step backward. We are standing over here right now. -4. Yes. -5 Kai. No Kai. Look, we are here, right? So we have to come back. 1 step back, 2 step back, 3 step back, and then 4 step back. So we'll be using -4 after this. So how to get the -4? We'll say they step. We'll be using this minus block. We'll say whatever the A value is there, use that A value. And we'll not say -1 or something. We will say multiplied by -1. If we multiply this number with the same, with 1, we get the same number, right? But I said multiply by -1. So it will come to -4, right? 4 ones are 4 with minus sign. Correct? After this, once I reached here, I'm still facing forward only, right? That left direction. So now I came back to here, but I'm facing this side. Which turn should I take to face this side? I want to face this side. So is this right turn, left turn? Which turn it is? Yes, Kai, you would be using, no, Fatul. Yes, Fatul, you would be using repeat loop. Tell me, quick, which turn should I take? Turn right side? Okay. Dazukwan said right side turn. Okay. So we'll be using the turn block over here. We'll say Dave will be turning right. After turning it to the right, it should go 3 again. So we are starting from here again, right? Dave step 3. Then turn left and everything will get repeated. So we'll take this much only out. Okay, not everything, only this much out. We'll put it inside the repeat loop. And now tell me how many times should I repeat it? How many times you will be repeating this thing? Come on. 5, 6, 4 times. Gus said 4. What about others? What about Alexander, Zach, and all? Come on. Only Gus, no. Okay. So let's count it. We have to do this thing. This much it is doing. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So very good, Gus. You are absolutely correct over here. We'll say repeat it for the 4 times and then we'll be hitting on the run button and it will work for us. So we have successfully completed our level 3 also over here. Okay. So we are moving ahead for level number 4 now. So let's see what are the things we have. Oh, come on. Did I click on the wrong button? Wait a minute. Something just happened. Oh, I missed one. The thing is that I forgot the decrement statement over here. That means after 4, we want 3 here, then 2, and then 1. Yes. So change A by -1 is missing. Every time the A is decreasing over here. So that is the reason we'll say change A by anywhere. You can put it here, you can put it here. At the end, anyhow, we have to change it by -1. The reason is very simple. The number is decreasing. After 4, we have 3. If you would be having 5 over there, then 6 and all, then you will increase it. But as we are having 5, like 4, 3, 2, 1, decreasing order, decrement, so we'll say -1. And then it will complete the thing for us. Okay, so 40 out of 40 steps, exact 8 lines of code and 3 stars for us. Let's go to the next level over here. Let's check out what we have it. Oh, it's quite interesting. Believe me, it's too much interesting. Okay, let me delete it. Here we have to use 2 variables at a time. The reason is that once I'll come here, only 1 step is there. Now here is 2 steps. Then the second one is the 3 steps forward. Then we have 4 steps forward. So every time the forward one, the simple forward is changing. So here we have to use variable. And as it's starting with 1, we will make a variable A. Let's suppose I will say set variable A to 1. Now, how many times we would be repeating the task over here? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll be use the repeat block here for 4 times. We'll say 4. Done. But once I come to here, you can take any turn as per your choice. Either you can take the right turn or left turn. Choice is yours. That's your call. Okay, completely. I would like to go for the right first. That's my. So I will say Dave. Well, first Dave should step A amount. That is 1. And then we'll say they would be taking the right turn. Correct? Now, after right turn, how many steps should I go in? Tell me, how many steps are there after taking the right turn? Come on, quick answers in the chat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 steps, but this is 4. This one is 3, and this one is 2 only. So here the numbers are decreasing, and it's starting with the 5 for us and going all the way down for 2. So what we'll be doing, we will use the new variable here. We will say set b starting. I want to start with 5. So we'll say 5 here. So set b to 5. Miss, can I ask from the other levels? Yes, sure. But not now, at the end. We'll give you time. Okay? So 5 at the starting, then 1 for A, then we'll be repeating 4 times. They will step for A amount. They've turned to the right side, and then it will go forward for B amount. B is your 5, right? So I said they will go forward for B amount. Now, if it's going inside B here, then it will go all the way to the other side also. That is minus 1. So in the last level also we learned to make it go minus, we have to multiply it. But tell me one thing, should I multiply it by minus 1 or minus 2? That's your question. Should I say B multiplied by minus 1 or minus 2? If we are taking minus 1, where it will come, or if I take minus 2, where it will come. Let me tell you the question. I want to come here, the ending point. Okay, I want it to come here. I'm standing here. So should I say minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 or multiplied by minus 2? What would be the correct answer? Minus 2. Minus 2. Absolutely correct. Because we are standing at this position, we have to go back. If you say minus 1, it will come till here only. But we don't want it to come here. We want it to go all the way back to the second one. So that is the reason we will say here minus 2. Multiply by minus 2. Perfect. Then we are here. Then we have to come back to the center again. So we have to make the days to step forward for B amount. Correct? So we'll be going B amount forward and come to the center. Now my Dave is turning to the right side. It's facing still. What is wrong here? My Dave is standing here facing this side. Okay. I wanted to take a turn to this way. Which turn should I take? Left or right? Okay, Gus says right. The Zukwa said left. Okay, then it's a tough competition. Okay, right. We got 2 rights. Really, it's right. How many of you agree with right? Okay, let me show you again. I'm facing this side right now, and I want it to face this side. Okay, let's not waste the time because we are already running out of. It's the correct answer is left. So they would be taking the left turn. Okay, not the right turn. They will take the left turn. Now after this, I have to go ahead for 1, 2 steps. That is A values increasing. So we will say change A by 1 because you want to increase it. But the B value, this is going to be 4, 3, 2, right? So we'll say change B by minus 2. Okay, minus. So we'll say minus 1. So it started with 5, 4, 3, 2, like this it will be. Okay. Now once we press the run, 5, 10, then 5 again, then 4, minus 8, then 4 again, then 3 minus 6, then 3 again, then 2 minus 4, then 2 again. Okay, so this is how you will get all the 3 stars for level number 4. Okay, I want you to all to try level number 5. That's little challenging. Let's see how many of you will be able to get 3 stars in level number 5. Believe me, it's a tough challenge for you to get the 3 stars in level number 5. Okay, so try it out, everyone. You all can give it a try to level number 5. Anyone got 3 stars? Raise your hand if you got 3 stars in level number 5. Anyone? For level number 5 got 3 stars? No? Okay, Gus, you got it? Really? We'll ask you to share your screen. Believe me. Okay, fine. We will check out in the next level, in the next class, to solve the level number 5 with all the 3 stars. And let's see how many of you will be able to complete. Okay? Try it out, give it a try. If you got it, then I'll give you the opportunity to share the screen and showcase it in front of everyone. Okay? So the lucky person will get the chance to share the screen and show it and explain the thing. So let's see who will get that lucky chance in the next class. Okay? Bye everyone. Take care. Have a good day ahead. Bye. Okay. Thank you. Bye, 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 everyone.